In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best wine Chateau discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for wine Chateau discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, let's say if you want to get this one with 5% of discount, all you need to do is select your copy code from right here. And as you can see, this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you will be able to get that 5% discount. Also, going back to our main site right here, we have this website which is called retailmino.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 11 discount of selected spirits, all you have to do is just select show code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase so that you can get that 11% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.